My name's Ian Godfrey. I work for Fujitsu Systems Europe. My role is in developing solutions for customers based around our systems and software. The three important things that we're here to show. The first thing is how users can run really graphically intensive applications in remote systems, in remote data centers. So these are the power users working with CAD, fine detailed models in CAD tools, and similarly in engineering CAE applications. The second part of what we're showing is how to collaborate effectively in the data center. It gives you the opportunity for organizations to have engineers in multiple locations, but being able to share and exchange the model live as it's being demonstrated from one location to a completely different location, remote office, or eventually even to partners. Of course, the advantage of keeping the data in the data center is really protecting that data. No longer do you have to move data out to the local systems for display, for rendering, but you can do all of that in the data center and get a live experience, a real dynamic feel from using those same applications remotely. The main target for us with this product here, this remote visualization system, is the power user. So they're concerned mostly by bandwidth, but particularly latency. And what we're working on here is to drive the protocol of exchange to ensure that the user gets the maximum performance. Any degradation in performance, those users are not going to work on those remote systems. So we're constantly improving and optimizing the transfer of data and the compression of data. But remember, it's a lossless transfer. So what the user sees on the client system is exactly what's generated on the server system. So it's that precision and performance that's needed for power users. So it's one thing to have the ability to remotely view, have a remote desktop, but one of the key factors in actually deploying that in an organization is the management. You have to be able to deploy this simply, you have to be able to manage and control who's actually in the system and how users establish that connection from their client device to the remote system. If you want more information about this system that we're showing here, you'll be able to find this in future within our workstation, within our Celsius workstations. You have the ability to load up and try it between multiple workstations, and equally use that as a connection point to a remote demo center that we're offering.
We are here at NVIDIA's GTC, and I want to tell you something about virtual reality and the new We Are Ready and what does it mean. If you don't have good VR performance or the components are not balanced each other, then you have latency on your head-mounted display, you can have the motion sickness problem, or you're not able to have the good experience of the virtual reality. So now I want to show you a demo for the tourism. So you're here in outer space and seeing the Earth. You can scroll through the Earth and finding your next spot where you want to make your vacation. For example, you can go to Germany. A nice beautiful castle. Here you see you can move through the castle, looking around and teleporting you to spots. You can quickly switch from Europe to ruins in Guatemala. Now here you see this beautiful spot in Guatemala. And going through the complete scene, seeing the jungle and the ruins, and teleporting you to some interesting spots. Imagine new opportunities, because the head-mounted displays are so affordable. You have a workstation with a good graphics card, and then all your engineers who are spread all over the world, US, China, and can working on the same model at the same time.
My name is Manuel Brülker. I'm responsible for the business unit of PLM and CAD solutions at encad Consulting. This year at the GTC in Amsterdam, we present our solution in CAd-Desktop virtualization. We use Celsius remote workstation from Fujitsu, which is powered by NVIDIA Grid, remotely provided to the end user by thin clients of Fujitsu. The customer will benefit from a very flexible way of usage. Furthermore, the data, which is very critical in the engineering departments, will stay in-house. And last but not least, the IT benefits from a centralized environment which can be supported very easily. with our partnership with Fujitsu, NVIDIA, and as well Citrix, we are able to provide solution for these virtual desktops that ensure a best can do user experience even for users like designers and engineers. So if you want to have more information, we will be happy to assist you in a personal conversation, as every of our customers has got his individual needs. You'll find all the contact data at our website at encad-consulting.de, and we will be happy to assist you with your questions and your needs.